Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we're going to be making chicken bunny chow, which is so delicious, you guys, and very easy to prepare as well. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here we have our ingredient which we're going to be using to make our bunny chow. So first is a bread, which I'm going to use on the last. First, we have to prepare the chicken soup. Here's my chicken, which I already washed. And also you make sure you cut in small pieces. And here we got onion. This is medium onion, which I already sliced as well. And here is my tomatoes, 2 medium tomato. 1 potato which I cut in cubes, oil for frying. There is garlic chopped, and we got some green chili, which is optional, and also I'm gonna use dry leaves. Here I've got my curry powder. This I'm using Rajah medium curry powder and the chicken spice, and also I'm gonna use these chicken cubes. Okay, so now we're going to start by frying our onion until it's soft. Okay guys, as you can see, my onion is soft now. It's not brown yet, it's soft. I'm going to add chopped garlic and fry together until the garlic is starting getting brown as well. It's gonna take about 2 minutes. Okay, once I see my garlic is brown, I'm going to add my tomatoes. I'm adding also my green chili, which is optional. You don't need to add green chili if you don't like. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Rajah. I'm gonna follow with my chicken spice, 1 teaspoon. Okay, now I'm going to just mix everything well and cook for about 2 minutes until I see my tomato is soft. And do not forget to add salt. Okay, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to transfer that into a plate and let it cool down completely. In same pan, I'm going to add my chicken and fry until it's light golden in both sides. Okay, I'm done frying the chicken, and this is how it should look like. Now I'm going to transfer the tomato sauce into a blender and blend it into a paste. Okay, the sauce is done. Now I'm going to add that into the chicken pan, and then I'm going to add also 2 cups of water. Okay, now I'm going to cover the pot and wait until it starts boiling. Okay, our pot is boiling now. I'm going to add a chicken cube. And then I'm going to add potatoes. I'm gonna give a good stir just to bring everything together, and then I'm going to add also my dry leaves. You can add any type of dry leaves that you have. Okay, after everything is done, I'm going to slow the flame and cover the pot. I'm gonna let it simmer for about 10 minutes or until the potato is done. Okay, it's after 10 minutes now, and our sauce is done. The potato is soft already, and yeah, my curry is perfectly done. Okay guys, so this is bread which I'm going to be using to make bunny chow. Make sure your bread is warm. So now I'm going to warm up the bread for about 40 seconds in microwave before adding sauce. Okay, our bread is nice and warm. Now I'm going to take a sharp knife and then I'm going to follow the four corners of bread, and be careful to not go too deep because we still need bread to be left down there. We're just gonna create a space where we're gonna be putting our curry. Any type of curry you are making, can be beef, can be lamb, can be chicken, can be even vegetable if you are vegetarian. So yeah, now I'm going to fill up the space with the my chicken curry, and yeah, our banicho is gonna be done. Okay guys, our bunny chow is done. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful and it's really easy to prepare guys, so you should try out this recipe. If you are busy mom like me, this is way to go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.